So the Enterprise Academy is a way to learn real-life skills for clients rather than using just a scenario, and it allows students to properly work for a project exactly how an app developer would do it. Over the past 8 weeks, we've met twice a week at 5 PM on Tuesdays and Thursdays to discuss the brief that Stephen has given us. We've come up with a plan and we've worked together to build solutions using the Microsoft Power Platform. Over the past 8 weeks, the students have been going into little groups and designing their own projects using the different apps that we've been learning about. And as well as learning the technical side of app development, they've all learned how to work as a team, which is important in the app industry, as well as learning communication and employment skills.
So, I'm Phoebe and I just joined this year, and I was in the beginners group with Aaron, and I've just been learning about flows and automating everything.
So we used UML for this project, and UML is a unified modeling language. So it's basically a way of modeling software solutions before starting the development of an app.
So when the someone has to submit the form, and then when someone submits the form, it gets the response details. And then once it gets the response details, it creates an item in SharePoint in a list. So this is a SharePoint in databases. This can hold all your lists and hold all your information from the forms using the Power Automate. So this one's already got information in it. This one's got the information from the form using the Power Automate to get it here. There's loads of columns. You can use SharePoint to share information between people, create teams. Makes the life a lot easier.
The purpose of using MS Forms, so Microsoft Forms and Power Pages for this project, was to collect the information from the public so that we can be informed of the issue that they may have. So such as, let's say there was a bin that was damaged, so then they can report it to us.
The main purpose of Power Apps was to create a central place to collect all the data. So this is where all the customers who want to fill out the form will see all the data about what has been going on and to fill in the form itself.
With the little time that we had, we couldn't finish the project, of course, but we have done a great job. To start with, we have the street items. We have done similar thing to the cemeteries, because you should be able also to inspect cemeteries and memorials in those cemeteries. Another cool feature is the tasks. So let's say you want to assign tasks to the different staff members that you have. You can do it from the task screen. And we have the request screen. So this one has to do with the forms that the beginners showed you. So the public would first submit a request using the form, and using then the automate, all the details will be stored in the database, which will show it in this list. Yeah, as I said, the students have done a great job in the time we had.
I just want to say thank you guys. You've done a brilliant job, and you've been to grips with the spec that I gave you and rambled out to you in our initial meeting that we held. So
I'm really impressed with the organisation and the how it kind of dovetails into the our needs, and hopefully, as Steve says, it will make us a lot more efficient in terms of communication, and also free up kind of staff time because everything's going to come into one pot, and there's a good logging system to map it all so that you can actually keep track of it. So yeah, it's great. Thank you.
Just to say what a great job everybody's done, and thank you very much for your enthusiasm, and especially doing it in your own time as well. I mean, how good is that?
Students, that is it. We're done. We've over the last 12 weeks, we've met twice a week online, and we've been building apps, and it's been a really good experience. We've enjoyed every single moment of it. We hope you've learned something new as well. So thank you for playing such a large role. We really appreciate it. Take care. Bye-bye.